Hey guys, just a quick update on the recall for the Dewalt. My saw again is a 779, so if yours is a different model, I can't say what you're getting or how to replace it. But yeah, for my compound miter saw, this is the original one, and you can see it's kind of not symmetrical. It's kind of bowed in here, and whatever these little hooks are for, they're also bowed in. Shop is a mess, apologies. The two screws, the original two, and this little metal tang that went on the back of the original one. It's kind of hard with one hand, but it kind of went like that. No use for it on the new one, or at least I couldn't find any reference to it in the instructions that come with the new one. So I did not put it back on, as you may guess. Very easy to replace. Make sure your saw is unplugged. One screw back here. It's a 30 Torx, but I did it with a flat tip screwdriver, and one screw here. Take the two screws out. The old plastic one, or what's left of the old plastic one, will come right out. Slip the new one into place. Put the screws in. Then use the new screws they gave you. They're a lot harder to get in. I think the threads are a little different. It's kind of self-tapping into aluminum, and I guess they do that for a second safety so that they don't vibrate loose and fall out, but they are a pain in the neck to get in. And this new one, I should have did a little something before I installed it. It is metal. It's got this spring-loaded kickback, anti-kickback, I guess. And yeah, it really is cut and dry to install. The instructions tell you to remove the blade, and boy, I'll tell you, I hate changing the blade on this thing. So I'm not telling you not to remove your blade, but I did not remove the blade. I'm guessing they want you to take it off so that you don't get cut while you're working around it. You can get this piece off and on with the blade in place, and again, I'm not saying leave your blade on, but I'm just saying how I did it. So finally, after it was all said and done, they tell you to spin the blade to make sure you've got no interference, and I didn't. So I made two cuts on a piece of scrap 2x4, a 90, and I forget what angle that was, a 60 or something. And yeah, it seems to work just like you would want it to work. So I thought I would just do a quick update. Mine's in, it's done. I'm back in business, which is cool because I'm building a little deck on the front portion of the house. And yeah, I need the saw. Guys, be safe, enjoy your day, we'll talk soon.